Alright, this is a demonstration for a 1969 Olympia SM9 Cursive. This is the, for only a couple of years, they made them with the charcoal keys and the sort of light cream cover. It's gorgeous. Just great lines. It's a very nice typewriter, and this has the Cursive typeface, which is among other things, you get 90 characters across the plate, and so you get 100 with Elite and 80 with Pica. But yeah, this is a super nice typewriter, and you know, we have tabs. You can see that they're there. You set them in the back. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling very well today, so I'm just going to get to the demonstration. This is a beautiful machine, and it's in perfect working condition. I'm going to be typing a poem by William Butler Yeats. It's called The Lamentation of the Old Pensioner. A little longer one, just because this typewriter is so fun to type on and with. So my margins. Actually, let's do. Okay. Good. Tell it's a pretty smooth, quiet typewriter. So you can see that it's just a very smooth, great typewriter. You can see why these are considered by many to be desert island, like the typewriter of choice for the rest of your life. And I don't know if you can see the script, you'll see it at the end, but it's a very nice cursive script as well. the typing test, for the letter test. Alright, thanks for watching.